Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks with another video, and this is a wonderful remedy for those of you who may be having issues with your mouth. Okay, now just like I've explained and I've mentioned in my prior video, if you look at my mouth you will see that it is swollen. Okay, one side of my cheek, this side right here, is swollen. Now I have a root canal. In my prior video I kept calling it a extraction, but no, it's actually a root canal that I have to have done. Now I've had this situation happening for quite some time. Let's say maybe around the summertime I've been having this issue, and I think this is the reason why my blood pressure was spiking. Now I have done some research, and of course, you know me, I found this wonderful solution for those of you who are going through some periodontal problems. But if you have any type of cysts in your mouth, any type of, like, say, swollen gums, okay, and you want to get rid of that, you may have some bacterial buildup in your mouth, well, this is going to take care of that with no problem. Believe me, all right? It's simple, it's easy, it's homemade, and it's natural. And it's going to help to get that swelling down that I'm having now, the inflammation. This is great for inflammation. And you use it a couple of times per day. So without any further ado, let's go to the kitchen and start the video. It's so simple. Come on, let's go. Alright, so we're in the kitchen and we're ready to go. Alright, so what you're going to need to start off is some coconut oil. Now this is extra virgin coconut oil. Okay, it's organic. You're also going to need some tea tree oil. And you're also going to need some clove oil. Well, I don't have any clove oil right now, but I'm going to still make this concoction because you can make it. It's best to use it with both of the oils, but for now, being that my mouth is hurting me, I'm going to do it with one, and it has been working. But I'm also going to show you in this video how to make some clove oil. So let's start. So you're going to need 2 drops of each. You're going to need 2 drops of your clove oil, which I'm going to use next time, but I'm going to show you how to make it. And you're also going to need 2 drops of your tea tree oil. Now, you're going to make this mixture. Now, that's not much. 2 drops is barely anything. All right, but it's just enough to put in your mouth. Now, on your coconut oil, this is like not even a quarter. I would say like a 1/4 teaspoon. But this is fine for now. So a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil and 2 drops of clove oil and tea tree oil. Okay, so now let's go back and I'll show you how to use this in your mouth. Alright, so we're back in my diva room for the rest of this video. Alright, so what you're going to use after that, you can either use a cotton ball. Alright, you can either use a cotton pad if you'd like, but what I find most helpful is a Q-tip, because you can reach very deeply. You'd be surprised how deep your mouth is. I mean, up in the top of your mouth, it's like all the way up here. So putting this in your mouth, you're gonna really see how deep your pockets are in your mouth. So a Q-tip for me is like the best way to apply this. Now here's our solution, and it's small. Okay, and you use this a few times a day. Okay, you just rub that in there, and it's just a little, and it goes a long way. And you can use this a couple of times. You can use this for the full day. Okay, so you're gonna take this now. I'm gonna look in my mirror, and I'm just gonna put it on that area, and you're just gonna rub it. Like I said, this thing goes deep, so you're gonna be very gentle and just dab it on the areas. Oh, you guys don't know, man. This sore is, oh, this root canal. But these are wonderful home solutions to help you along the way from any type of ailments that you have in your mouth. This is wonderful. Tea tree oil is wonderful. Oh. And I'm also putting on it on the outside of the tooth, because that's also sore. And you're going to put this on your gum as much as possible. Oh, it's so soothing when I put it on. Oh. And it's like a topical, ointment, all right? And it feels so much better. Whew. You guys don't know, okay? As you see my mouth, my face, this side is swollen, okay? So this side is inflamed, and I'm going to give you all the wonderful benefits of this, so you'll know that this is an antiseptic, and it's going to help with the inflammation going on in my mouth. So this is a wonderful way to create a nice homemade remedy for a temporary relief and possibly a permanent fix, so that you don't have to go to the dentist. And it turns out I have to have a root canal, so this is what's keeping me comfortable, all right? Comfortable. And it's cleaning out the bacteria buildup. It's cleaning out, I mean, it's disinfecting my mouth. Oh, wonderful benefits, okay? So like I said, you guys, this is a wonderful homemade way to take care of your dental work. It's also good for freshening your breath. It's also good for bacteria in your mouth. It's also good, it does a lot, all right? So watch out for the listing of things, the benefits of this concoction. And it's a mixture of tea tree oil and clove oil. But like I told you, I didn't have any clove oil, all right? But you mix it the same way. I'm going to give you all the info. And let me know how that feels. Like right now, my mouth feels better. I mean, not 100%. It's still swollen. It's going to take time for the inflammation to go down. But at least it's not... Whew, at least I feel as though it's like Ambisol. You've ever had Ambisol on your gums before and it kind of numbs it? Well, that's what this is doing. It's tingling, it's numbing, and you can feel it penetrating my gums, and it's doing something, okay? It's doing something. It's doing something. So tea tree oil is a wonderful essential oil for antiseptal purposes. Now I'm going to teach you how to make your own clove oil, and it's so simple. Now, depending on the size container, you're going to need a small container. This one, I tried to put some clove oil in it, so you're going to need a small container. You're going to need some whole cloves. You're also going to need some extra virgin olive oil. Okay? Now, in order to make it, what I did was, I think this is like, all right, now this is a teaspoon of cloves. Okay, put it in your bowl. Now you're gonna need a spoon. I don't have one of those mashers, so I'm just gonna improvise, and you're gonna crush your cloves, okay? All right, so we're gonna crush our cloves. Now, please forgive me of my kitchen ethics, but I'm going to do it, I'm going to improvise with what I have. All right, so I put the crushed cloves in my hand, in my palms, and I'm just going to work it inside the jar. So we have our crushed cloves inside our jar, and it's so simple. You fill it up with your olive oil. Now, it's preferred that you use a dark jar, okay? And this way you can always have it on the side with your cloves in it, and you keep this. One thing, you guys, before putting your clove in the oil, see, I should have thought about this a little better. It's best that you use some sort of cheesecloth to put the clove into. Then you dip it into the oil. Okay, now you're going to infuse this for up to 14 days in the oil. All right, and then after that, it's ready to be used. It'll be fully nicely extracted. You just keep shaking up the content to mix it properly. Okay, and in 14 days, it will be ready. But it's best, if anything, you use the whole cloves. If you're going to mash it like this, you're going to need a cheesecloth or something to catch it. All right, so that's how you make clove oil. And it's so easy, simple. And you can make all sorts of spices the same way. But your foundation has to be your extra virgin olive oil. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and turn your notifications on for this channel so you will not miss another one of these types of videos, okay? Okay. And I will see you in the next video. Hey, fam. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.